Break them. Don't skip any. While this may sound too simple at first, it can work well if done properly. Your first pass will most likely not be successful. You must make many passes. With each pass of the pick, slightly increase the turning force on the torque wrench. As frustration sets in, people have a tendency to apply too much force. This won't work and only leads to more frustration. Different rakes and styles of raking work better for different styles of locks. Experience and practice will show you which ones work best.